Welcome to our channel, where today we dive deep into how to verify your Bonanza seller account quickly and easily. Welcome to our channel, where today we dive deep into how to verify your Bonanza seller account quickly and easily. Whether you are new to online selling or transitioning to Bonanza, verifying your seller account is a crucial first step toward establishing trust and unlocking full selling capabilities. Let's walk through the process step by step to make it effortless. First, start by logging into your Bonanza seller account using your registered email and password. Once inside your dashboard, locate the Account Settings or Identity Verification tab. This is where you will initiate your verification process. The next step involves submitting personal identification documents. Bonanza typically requires a valid government-issued ID such as a passport or driver's license to confirm your identity. Make sure the document is clear, fully visible, and not expired. Upload the scan or photo as instructed on the site. After your identity is verified, the platform may also ask to verify your payment details. This usually means confirming your bank account or credit card information linked to your Bonanza store for receiving payments. Double-check that all payment details are accurate and current to avoid delays. Another important verification step includes confirming your contact details, especially your phone number and email. Bonanza will send a verification code or link via SMS or email, which you must promptly confirm. These steps help protect your account from fraud and build buyer confidence. If your account represents a business, rather than an individual, additional documentation, such as a business license or tax ID, might be necessary. Make sure you prepare these documents in advance to streamline the verification. Once all documentation and details are submitted correctly, allow some time for Bonanza's review team to process your application, typically a few business days. You will receive notifications upon approval or if additional information is needed. Keep an eye on your registered email and account dashboard for updates. Successfully verifying your Bonanza seller account will unlock features like listing more products, accessing promotional tools, and making direct sales to a wider audience. It also reassures buyers that your store is legitimate and trustworthy, positively impacting sales performance. By following these clear, actionable steps, you can confidently verify your Bonanza seller account and set yourself up for e-commerce success. Don't skip this essential process. Verification is the foundation of a secure and professional selling experience. Remember, patience and careful preparation make all the difference in completing your verification quickly and smoothly.